What's good, traders? It's September 9th. Let's see if we can catch a trade. Now, the only pairs that I'm looking at today are gold and GU. On the daily for gold, we are displacing through previous day's high. On the 1 hour, London session took out this sell side liquidity, and we disrespected this 1 hour bearish fair value gap. So I want to see price take out this swing up here. And on GU, we have this nice draw right here. Price has been on a bullish run for the past few days. We are displacing through previous day high on the hourly. I want to see price come and take out this swing right here. That could be a good draw, but also we could see if price wants to take that swing out. On Forex Factory, there is in fact no news that will affect my trading. We do have Euro news at 6:30, but I'm not trading Euro. Let's see what the 5-minute is doing. Price already took out this liquidity down here. This will be the change in the state. If we can end up closing above, since this draw is so close, I'll probably put my stop at the body. Let's see if we can get a close above this structure right here. Okay, looks like we couldn't get the close. Let's see if we can get it this candle. Looks like we couldn't get the close above. If GU ends up taking this swing right here and then changing the state right here, that would be nice. Looks like we couldn't get the close. On GU, we did end up taking this swing low. Let's see if we can close back in the range and get a bullish change in the state. Possibly on this candle, gold will change the state. I want to put my stops right here. Okay, I am now in on gold with my stops here, targeting a 1 to 2. Yeah, I ended up moving my stop loss at this wick just so I can get the 1 to 2. I'll take partials when we hit this swing and go to break even. Looks like I might be getting stopped out. I'm not gonna lie. I've moved my position back to where it was just because I'm so confident that price is gonna go up. If we can close above this swing, I'll move my position back because if I'm not mistaken, I think this is a bullish SMT, so it'll be protected. I think these are on my broker. I think these are equal lows, but on here, I don't think we took it. I want to see price close above it to make sure. I can't move my stops until like I'm absolutely sure. And anybody watching this, I do not advise y'all to move y'all stops like how I'm doing. Everything is telling me price wants to take out these highs. We're sweeping sell side liquidity. We have all these orders up here pushing price down. And just like that, I'm glad that I didn't move my stops and waited for price to close above this candle right here. It's not looking too good, I'm not gonna lie. I might just get stopped out. We have this fair value gap. Let's see if price respects it. Alright, so I've been stopped out. You know, we had to change in the state. Liquidity was swept in London session. Price inversed this fair value gap. I thought we were going to go up, but apparently not. It is what it is. If you stayed through the whole video, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And I'm going to catch y'all in the next one. Okay, so this is part 2. I'm very confident that we're trying to go higher, and we just inversed this fair value gap. Now, if this candle closes above here, then that's a change in the state. We have a sweep on liquidity. Price could definitely go higher. Only if price closes above here will I get in. Stops right there. No, I will have my stops at this wick. If I take 2 L's, then I'm definitely done for the day. This is my second setup, and it looks like it's playing out. I would take partials. I would take partials once we pass this high right here. Yeah, my ultimate target would be today's high. And the stop loss is below the 50 EMA, so it should hold. Let's see if price retests this fair value gap. Price tapped into this fair value gap, or it's retesting this and inversed fair value gap. It's supposed to hold, but yes, price does what it wants to do. Let's see if price comes down and also touches this EMA. That'll be even better. This EMA is in equilibrium and this fair value gap is pretty close to it, so looks like we touched the EMA. It's not too late. If this candle, hopefully this candle rejects. If I take 2 L's, that's gonna fucking suck. We already touched the EMA. We already touched equilibrium. There's no reason for, and I've just been stopped out. Okay, so took 2 trades. Both of them were losers. Yeah, I followed my system, followed my rules. Just ended up losing.